So I hope you find this terribly entertaining because it might be terribly stressful for me. What up, peoples? So I have new equipment, right? So it was a gift given to me on Christmas by my lovely fiance. He's so super supportive. So I want to make a video of me setting this up for the first time in my entire freaking life. So I hope you find this terribly entertaining because it might be terribly stressful for me. What fun! So I'm gonna cut to that video and give you a little bit of voiceover while I hopefully succeed for the first time, and then I'll do a whole nother video of my equipment list. I have a ongoing equipment list that I have that I can send to potential employers, and if for some odd reason a client wants to know what equipment I have, I can always send them that list, easy peasy. But I'll also make a video of that, visually, of what I'm working with. So go on this journey with me where I hopefully succeed. As some may know, I'm not one for instructions. I don't like to use them, I like to read them, I barely like to acknowledge them. So I didn't. What is this? Oh, okay, I got it. So I have successfully put up my my backdrop for the first time. This is wild. I'm so happy. So I definitely think I'm gonna steam out, or I would probably just have to steam it every time I do a photo shoot, because I'm gonna end up folding it and put it back in, so the creases are gonna come right back. But this is so cool. I'm so excited. And so along with that, I got 2 more light boxes and also my umbrellas. So I think I'm going to take this to a bigger space and set up my umbrellas, do like a mini self photo shoot. So I think I'm going to put that up at the end of this video. But I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Yay!